Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 10th of May 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 10th of May 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Thalassemia Day? Answer is option number 3, 8th May. What is thalassemia? Thalassemia is inherited blood disorder that passes from parents to children. In this disease, the ability of the body to produce hemoglobin and red blood cells get affected, or we can say that a person suffering from thalassemia disease will have a few red blood cells and very little hemoglobin. And every year 8th of May is celebrated as World Thalassemia Day to encourage those who struggle to live with the disease or with the thalassemia. So answer will be option number 3, 8th May. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Red Cross Day? Answer is option number 3, 8th May. 8th May is celebrated as World Red Cross Day. This day marks the birth anniversary of the Henry Dunant, who is the founder of the International Committee of the Red Cross, that is ICRC. He is also a recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize and he was born on May 8, 1828, and this day is celebrated by the Red Cross Society across all the countries. And this International Committee of the Red Cross works for the welfare of people and works for food shortage, natural disaster, wars as well as diseases of an epidemic. And this year this World Red Cross Day has been celebrated under the theme Together We Can Unstoppable. So answer will be option number 3, 8th May. Next, Seema Bisla, who is seen in news recently, is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, wrestling. Look at image. This is Seema Bisla. She is an Indian wrestler and she is in news recently because she has recently secured a Tokyo Olympic berth in women 50 kilogram category after winning gold medal in the World Olympic qualifier. So answer will be wrestling. Next, Vanraj Bhatia has recently died at the age of 93. He was a dash. Answer is option number 2, composer. Look into image. This was Vanraj Bhatia. He was an Indian composer best known for his work in Indian New Wave cinema. He was also one of the leading composer of Western classical music in India, and he has recently died at the age of 93. He was also awarded with National Film Award for the best music and direction for Tamas in 1988. In 1988, he was also awarded with Sangeet Natak Academy Award for Creative and Experimental Music in 1989 and with Padma Shri in 2012. So answer will be option number 2. He was a composer. Next, Yan Rangasamy has recently sworn in as the Chief Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 4, Puducherry. Look at image. This is Yan Rangasamy, founder leader of AIAINRC, that is All India NR Congress, and he has recently sworn in as the Chief Minister of Union Territory of Puducherry. Ramaswamy led the National Democratic Alliance has won the 60 seats in the Assembly election 2021 to form the government. So answer will be option number 4, Puducherry. Next, which of the following institution has recently released a report titled State of Working India 2021, 1 year of COVID-19? Answer is option number 3, Azim Premji University. The report titled The State of Working India 2021, 1 year of COVID-19, brought out annually by Azim Premji University's Center for Sustainable Employment, Bengaluru, and this report in 2021 has been recently released and it covers the period March 2020 to December 2020, dwells on the impact of 1 year of COVID-19 on employment, incomes, inequality and poverty. This report says that 100 million jobs were lost during the April-May 2020 lockdown. Though most of these workers had found employment by June 2020, about 50 million remained out of work. So answer will be option number 3, Azim Premji University. Seventh question is, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by Fitch Ratings? Answer is option number 2, 9.5%. Fitch Ratings has recently predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year, that is in the 2021-22, will be 9.5%. Eighth question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Migratory Bird Day? Answer is option number 3, 8th May. Every year 8th May is celebrated as World Migratory Bird Day. This day is celebrated with the aim to raise awareness of migratory birds and importance of international cooperation to conserve them, and this year it was celebrated under the theme Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird. Answer will be option number 3. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new administrator of NASA? What is NASA? Long form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is the space agency of America. It was formed on 29th of July 1958. Headquarters is in Washington DC, and recently Bill Nelson has been appointed as the new administrator of NASA. So answer will be option number 3, Bill Nelson. Next, which of the following Indian actor has been awarded with the Best Actor award in the New York City International Film Festival recently? Answer is option number 3, Anupam Kher. Indian actor Anupam Kher has won the Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival for his short film titled Happy Birthday. This film has been directed by Prasad Kadam. And produced by FNP Media. So answer will be option number 3, Anupam Kher. Sonu Sood is also a Bollywood actor, and he was awarded with Special Humanitarian Award in 2020 by UNDP. And also remember that I Am No Masiha is the autobiography of Sonu Sood, and Punjab state government has recently appointed Sonu Sood as the brand ambassador of vaccination in Punjab, and Rajnikant has won the 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Award. Next, name the person who has recently died at the age of 99 and was the personal secretary of Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option number 1, V. Kalyanam. Look at the image. This was V. Kalyanam. He was an Indian freedom fighter and was Mahatma Gandhi's personal secretary during the last few years of Gandhi's life, that is from 1943 to 48. He joined the freedom struggle during Quit India movement in 1942 and then worked with Gandhi till Gandhi's assassination, and Kalyanam was just behind Gandhi when Nathuram Godse fired the shots. So answer will be option number 1, N. Kalyanam. 12th question is, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new chairperson of FICCI Ladies Organization? What is FICCI? Long form of FICCI is the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Long form of FICCI is the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. It is a non-governmental trade association and advocacy group based in India. It was established in 1927. Headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently president of FICCI is Uday Shankar. Uday Shankar is the president of FICCI, and this FICCI Ladies Organization is an allied organization of FICCI established in 1983 to promote entrepreneurship and professional excellence among women in India, and recently Ujjwala Singhania has been appointed as the new chairperson of FICCI Ladies Organization. So answer will be option number 4, Ujjwala Singhania. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day has been celebrated as World Asthma Day in 2021? Answer is option number 4, 5th May. Second question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of the Midwife? Answer is option number 3, 5th May. Name the operation which has been recently launched by Indian Armed Forces to aid anti-COVID-19 efforts. Answer is option number 4, Ko-Jeet. Which of the following day is celebrated as Coal Miners Day? Answer is option number 2, 4th May. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by S&P Global Ratings? Answer is option number 2, 9.6%. Nehru Zoological Park, which is in news recently as 8 Asiatic lions have tested positive for the deadly coronavirus, is located in dash. It is located in Hyderabad. Option number 2. Due to a spate of COVID-19 cases among players and support staff, BCCI has suspended IPL 2021 indefinitely. It was the dash edition of IPL. It was the 14th edition of IPL. Option number 3. 8th question was, Nuwan Joisa has been recently banned for 6 years by ICC for breaching the ICC anti-corruption code. He belongs to which of the following nation? Answer is option number 4, Sri Lanka. India's first drive-in vaccination center has been recently opened in which of the following cities? Answer is option number 3, Mumbai. 10th question was, in which of the following state the Indian Army has recently launched the first green solar energy plant? Answer is option number 1 Sikkim, and 11th question was which of the following day is celebrated as World Athletics Day? Answer is option number 4 7th May. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was who is the author of the book titled Whereabouts? Answer is option number 1 Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri is the author of the book titled Whereabouts. Now today's question is who is the author of the book titled The Living Mountain? Options are Akash Ranison, Madhav Bhandari, Amitabh Ghosh, and Arvind Adiga. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.